This is lesson 3.6, Compound Inequalities, on page 202, problem 4, solving a compound inequality involving OR. So the last time we did and that's where it was in 3 pieces. You had a left, a middle, and a right. Okay, that was if it was an and, because you could use that middle piece twice. If it's an OR, you have to write them separately. So you've actually got 2 completely different inequalities. Okay, so what are the solutions of 3t plus 2 less than -7 or -4t plus 5 less than 1? Graph the solutions. Okay, so you solve them completely individually. So we're just going to do this one. You solve it the exact same way you do an equation. So we're going to subtract 2 from both sides. It gives us a -9. And we're going to divide by 3, which gives us t less than -3. Okay, and if we graph that, less than, so it's an open circle. And it goes to the left. Less than is to the left. Okay. Now we're going to solve this one completely separately. I don't care what the other one did. So we're going to subtract 5 from both sides. Now we have to divide by a -4. And remember, when you divide by a negative, you have to switch this sign as well, because it changes the signs on both sides. We had -4t less than -4. When we divide by -4, we get t greater than 1. Both of these signs went from negative to positive, so this sign has to change as well. Okay, so t is now greater than 1. Again, open circle at 1, and it goes to the right for greater than. Okay, so let's try it. What are the solutions of -2y plus 7 less than 1 or 4y plus 3 less than or equal to -5? Again, one at a time. -2y plus 7 less than 1, we're going to subtract 7 from both sides. Then we're going to divide by -2, but if we divide by -2, that has to turn around. So we actually end up with y greater than 3. So we go down here to 3 and make an open circle, and our arrow goes to the left. Now let's solve the second one. Subtract 3 from both sides. Divide by 4. Since it's not -4, we don't have to worry about the sign. So y is less than or equal to -2. So less than or equal to is a closed circle, and less than goes to the left.